What's good, ladies and gentlemen? I hope you are doing well. Today we're going to look at CRO, a price prediction. There is also a very juicy chart pattern forming for CRO, and the CEO has said some very interesting things as well. So there's not a lot to worry about, in my opinion. It could be oversold and potentially a good time to start getting in. So green market for crypto all round at the moment. That's perfect. That's exactly what we want to see. Bitcoin is trying to retest that $17,000 level. By the way, guys, if you're new here, I am doing a $1,000 giveaway. All you need to do is subscribe to enter. All new subscribers will enter, and if you have already subscribed, thank you so much. Just go check out my Twitter page and retweet it to enter. So let's have a look at what is going on for CRO. Because of the horrible FTX event, of course, there has been a chain effect, I suppose, on all other centralized exchanges. The sentiment and the trust for these centralized exchanges is going down, but he is reassuring holders of CRO and using the exchange that there is literally no exposure. There is nothing to be worried about. We can see here CoinDesk tweeted, Crypto.com CEO Kris said the company has a strong balance sheet and its exposure to FTX official is minimal, if not pretty much nothing. So that's really, really cool to see this kind of transparency, especially from the big guys, from these conglomerates. And we can see here it says, expect a tough crypto winter. But Crypto.com isn't going anywhere. CEO Kris Marszalek said during a live interview hosted on its YouTube channel. Basically, over the past week, Crypto.com's CRO token has dropped almost 45% on concerns the Singapore-based exchange will be the next to face a liquidity crisis, aka like pull the rug or do some sort of mendacious, perfidious and malicious act on you all. The exchange's daily volume has collapsed from last year's high of around 4 billion to around 284 million this past October. Well, you know, it's kind of normal, it's a bear market, but of course the FTX event has not helped at all. Now, looking through some of the other things that Kris has said, he's a really cool guy, he's very integral. I could probably trust this guy, just like CZ Binance. He said, the withdrawal queue is down 98% within the last 24 hours. It remains business as usual at Crypto.com. Kudos to our team who built resilient blockchain infrastructure operating normally under heavy loads. Onwards and upwards. So this is really, really nice to see. Very good to see indeed, actually. So what else could we have a look at? We've got another one. Withdrawals are being processed as usual. No FUD, please. So this is all good, appeasing things that you want to sort of hear about. CRO is looking really, really strong at the moment, in my opinion. Trading at $0.074. Now we might break that $0.08 level quite soon because of a very, very bullish reversal pattern that is forming. And we can see it's ranked 29 of a $1.87 billion market capital. So year to date, it has been a macro downtrend. You know, it was trading really, really high earlier this year, looking at the all-time high as well. $0.89 once upon a time. Now we're looking seriously undervalued at 7 cents. This is prices way before the crypto parabolic bull run. You know, we're looking at the same price levels. If I can quickly click this chart, it's pretty much back here in summer of 2021, and even back here around sort of 2020 in the bear market of 2020. So we are eventually going to see, in my opinion, a very, very good recovery, but it could take a few years to actually see that. Now, guys, I have been also sharing some really cool pre-sale opportunities with you, such as Calvaria. There are 3 other ones alive at the moment. You can look at those really cool, massive upside potential pre-sales down in my description and comment box, or you can head over to my Discord channel right here. There's literally 3,000 people in here, and we've got tabs for everything. We've got all the pre-sales that are live, we've got signals, we've got community chats, we've got NFTs, we've got so much more. So come say hi, guys. Be part of an ever-growing community with lots of incentive and reward for just simply saying hi. So don't be shy, come say hi. But yeah, today we're going to definitely look at Cronos as well, because even though the pre-sales have got huge upside potential, Cronos is also one we don't want to sort of sleep on or forget about. So here is a tweet, one last. Thanks for having me, Andrew Sorkin. Looking forward to more conversations on what Crypto.com is doing to increase transparency, compliance, and security across the industry. So you can see they're speaking with big news sites as well. They really want to reassure the holders that nothing bad is going to happen now. Putting your face across this many massive publishing and news sites, you can tell there is no bad intention. This guy he does not want to do anything bad. I don't know why you would put your face here, because if you have and then you do something bad, you're going straight to jail, right? Anyways, here it is for CRO. What are we looking at? We're looking at a really nice looking cup and handle. We're just breaking out the handle at the moment. We're retesting this 0.074 as a support level. So if we do break out, get a bit of positive, should I say? Then we might see 0.076, guys. It's going to look really good. So, you know, put on your seatbelt, put on your spacesuit, and prepare for a pump for the Crow coin, because I honestly think we are going to see the next target achieved, which will potentially result in about 7.64% pump. Now that's back to the swing high of November 2022 on the 12th, just a few days ago. And yeah, of course, we've got a long road to go, but zooming in on the charts, that is exactly what I'm seeing. Very bullish, putting through higher lows. And right now, this trend line, this neckline, shall we call it, of 0.0758 is a huge resistance. So if we break that, we will see some positive continuation to the upside, folks. So really looking good. We've got a long way to go. I suppose if we can break through this resistance here, the next sort of price target we'll be looking at is going to be the resistance here at 0.095. And, you know, of course, we've got many more barriers to also break back through. But for now, let's focus on conquering them one at a time. You can see on this 4-hour time frame, we were oversold literally just yesterday. And being oversold is usually a bullish indicator. Alt season index sitting on 45, so we could be on the reversal here for an alt season if we go above 75 on this particular indicator. And looking at the top 50 performers, you know, Trust Wallet Token, we've got TKX, QNT, Doge, Matic over the last 9 days. So yes, altcoins, don't sleep on them, but at the same time, don't ape in on them and don't just throw all your money into altcoins, because they are a riskier asset in terms of having more volatility, because the market capital is lower. So therefore, every $1,000 of, you know, outflow or inflow is going to have a higher impact on the price in terms of its movement in percentage. So yeah, that's about a wrap, guys. Check out those 4 pre-sales as well before you go, and subscribe to the channel. Stay crypto safe, and goodbye for now.